I will show you how to store fresh raspberries without freezing them. I'll wash the raspberries first. I need clean and wash jars. We fill the jars with raspberries. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Do not fill the jar to the top. I fill the other jars in the same way. I need lemon juice. I will pour a tablespoon of lemon juice into each jar. We add lemon juice because botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. The acidity in the jar must be pH 4.6 or lower. Jars full of water to cover the raspberries. Remove the air from the jar. Do this for each jar. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean lids. I will do the pasteurization. I need a deeper pan for that. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan and put the jars in the pan. I will pour water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I'll cover it. And from the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After pasteurization, I leave the jars to cool in water. When the jars cool down, the center part of the lid must sink in. Store the jars in a dark place. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you.